Martin put one's hand on the 2024 MotoGP title after victory in the Malaysian sprint. Is combined with a crash for Francesco Bagnaia. Bagnaia, who beat Martin to pole in the epic qualifying battle, walked away with his head in his hand after falling from second, between Martin and Marquez on the lap 3 of 10. The reigning double world champion suffered his 8th DNF of the season when he lost the front at the slow turn 9 lap cut handle. Gigi D'Arigna and Davide Rossi left the Ducati garage to flank Bagnaia as he walks down pit line. Bagnaia is now 29 points behind Martin, who will crown champion tomorrow if he can increase his lead to 38 points. Marc Marquez kept second, finishing within 1 second of Martin, while Bagnaia handed the final podium place to his victory teammate Inia Bastianini. This year's sprint winner Alex Marquez, who shot alongside Bagnaia and Martin on the front row, was 4th. Yamaha's Fabio Quartararo, Martin teammate Franco Morbidelli, then the KTM of Binder, Jack Miller and Pedro Acosta complete the top 9. As if this tension wasn't already high enough, when Road began falling on the grid, prompting the race to be declared flag to flag. However, the moisture wasn't clear. Andrea Iannone finished his first MotoGP race since 2019 and first ever sprint in 19th place. Our rider used the soft form and medium rear tire. A minute silence was held before the sprint for the victim of the flooding in Spain. The flood expedition in Valencia has also forced the cancellation of MotoGP French season final. The replacement venue is still to be announced. Miguel Oliveira continues to be sidelined by fracture to his right wrist in Mandalika and is replaced at right caused by Aprilia test rider Lorenzo Sapadori. Iannone has been called up to ride Fabio Di Giannantonio bike's VR46 with DGR recurring shoulder surgery.